Hi guys, in today's video I am going to tell you how to generate anime art using AI. So let's get started with the video without wasting any time. Now you can see this interface on my screen. You can access this by clicking the link in my description box. After you click the link in my description box, you'll land on this page. So in this AI you can also search for an image. For example, I'll type owl and then I'll click enter. It will provide me some owl images. So you can search for any image you want. You can also generate your own image. First of all, you need to click on generate. Then you need to upload an image. So click on upload image. Here I'll select the Barbie image and then I'll click enter. Now in this box, you need to describe your image. You need to be specific with your description. I'll simply type anime. Then I'll click enter. As you can see, the processing has started, so let's wait until the image is generated. It will take less than 30 seconds to generate anime images. Okay, so my images are generated. As you can see, these images look so cool. This is how you can generate anime art with AI with just few clicks. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.